Now we are in this collab, and to start this, we first have to connect here. It's maybe in your language a little different, but here it's on your language it will be written connecting. And okay, we have to activate the first cells, so we are downloading everything into this collab what we need to create some beautiful art. And this hidden gem is wiki art, and it's a style gun that contains or is based and trained on the website wiki art, and it contains a lot of artists like from the last 1,000 years. So let's start that. We press the little first play button. That will take a little because we have to download a lot. So we can click the first one, then we can click the second one, and we can also click the third one. This is everything for our preparation. All right. We will see. I will come back in some seconds for you after this download is ready. Don't. It will take some minutes for sure. See you back. So, alright, in my case it's now done, and then you activate the next one. In my case it's also done. Then you can activate this cell, and actually this is the most important cell here. This is the little advanced version. At the bottom you have also another version here. Wait, you can see it here. It begins with seed 1 and with seed 2, and you have like just 4 slides. For sure you can play also a little with that and play it around. So then you would generate here in this section a new one, but for sure I would recommend oh yeah, this is actually pretty interesting. So, and if you want to store that, you would just click right click, store, and you would store that image. But let's take a deeper look at the second section here, or the main section, what is more interesting. It's a little advanced, but you can play a lot around. You can go through artist styles, or also here you can adjust that a little, also a little with the style, and you have a lot of possibilities to play actually with this style gun. So let's take a little look here. It looks like a little oil painting here. So I mean, if you want to play around, feel free, and yeah, for sure, enjoy your hidden gem.